Hey guys, it's ArtSea, and today I'm going to be teaching you a beginner balisong trick that my friend and I made up called the lateral aerial. And this trick, I called it this because the knife is going right here laterally to either your other hand or your dominant hand that you're using. If you already know that this trick has a name, let me know, but I could not find it on the internet. Just to update you guys, my balisong order has been delayed a little bit to restock in my store. But if you are looking for a knife, the flame is still available and there's just a couple left. Okay, so to start this trick off, you're going to be holding the knife by the bite handle. That's where if you're holding the handle, the blade would hit your finger. First thing I'm going to do is a double rollout. That's where I get the knife by the bite handle and I'm flicking this handle out one and out two. So if you do 1, 2, that's how we're starting the trick. But instead of going straight down like this, like parallel, you're gonna have the knife swing outward. So you're going 1, 2, right? So you want this whole trick to be pretty horizontal, right? Imagine me staying on the same horizontal plane, not a vertical plane. Because when I throw the knife, it's gonna be like this, and it has to be horizontally as best as possible going through the air. Okay, step 2 is the throw. So the throw, I want you to just practice throwing it and having it drop maybe on carpet. So throwing it like that. So you're going to keep practicing like a medium kind of throw. And so it's like going like a frisbee. Step 1 is a double rollout horizontally. Step 2 is the throw, and then step 3 is a catch. And I'm going to show you how to catch it. So you're going to be throwing it and you want to potentially catch it like this. So that was about 2 rotations, because then you can go into the Zen rollover. So okay, you're going to be doing a double rollout, and I'm going to do it in slow motion. So you're doing 1, 2, and you're trying to catch it right here on the bite handle. So you could come around and do the Zen rollover. And so the only reason I started on the bite handle is because what if you accidentally catch it on the wrong handle? Then you won't be screwed over. So pretend I'm doing the trick and I throw it too lightly, right? And I catch it like this. Well, at least I can go into the behind the 8 ball out of that because I'm not hitting the blade onto my hand. I still would suggest using a trainer, by the way. So for the two-handed catch, you're going to do the same throw, but you want it to go in the air like this, and you want to catch on the safe handle this time and flip up. So let me demonstrate. You're going to go out like this, you're going to throw, and I caught on the safe handle, and flip up. So 3 steps. Double roll out, throw, catch. So let me do an overview of what I said. So if you're doing it with one hand only, you're doing the double rollout and then you're doing 2 rotations. 1, 2, and catching it on the bite handle so you could do a Zen rollover. If you're doing this trick with 2 hands, you're going to be doing 1.5 spins. So you're still doing the same thing, but you're doing 1.5 spins. 1.5. So you catch it on the safe handle and flip up. Thank you so much to all my Patreons who help and support me throughout the years. If you really want to learn really fast, I have a tutoring tier, and tier 3 and tier 4 are for tutoring, and I will do 1 or 2 lessons a month for you on Discord, and it usually helps people a lot. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below any questions you have, and I'll make sure to answer them. Or DM me on Instagram. My Instagram's right here, and I'll answer you in about a week.